Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Rocket Money and Empower, two prominent personal finance platforms. If you're looking to enhance your budgeting, saving, and expense tracking strategies, this video is tailored just for you. Let's explore these platforms in detail to help you determine which aligns best with your financial goals. Be sure to watch right to the end. Rocket Money. Rocket Money positions itself as a holistic financial management tool designed to empower users to take control of their financial lives. The platform offers a suite of features aimed at simplifying money management, from tracking subscriptions to providing insight into spending habits. With a user-friendly interface, Rocket Money integrates various aspects of personal finance into a single, cohesive application. Empower. Empower is a comprehensive financial services company offering a range of solutions, including wealth management, retirement planning, and investment advisory services. Catering to individuals, employers, and financial professionals, Empower aims to provide personalized financial strategies and tools to help users achieve their long-term financial objectives. Their platform combines technology with human expertise to deliver tailored financial advice and management. What are the main features of Rocket Money and Empower? We start with Rocket Money. Subscription management. One of Rocket Money's standout features is its ability to identify and track all your subscriptions. It provides a clear overview of recurring charges, helps you stay on top of upcoming bills and avoid unnecessary expenses. Spending insights. The platform offers detailed breakdowns on your spending patterns, highlighting areas where you might cut back. By categorizing expenses, Rocket Money enables you to understand where your money is going and make informed financial decisions. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money allows users to set up personalized budgets, monitor their progress, and adjust as needed. The intuitive interface makes it easy to allocate funds to different categories and track adherence to your financial plan. Bill negotiation. An added perk is Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. The platform can negotiate lower rates on your behalf for various bills, potentially leading to significant savings over time. How about Empower? Wealth management. Empower offers personalized investment strategies tailored to individual goals and risk tolerance. Their wealth management services include portfolio management, financial planning, and access to financial advisors who provide guidance on investment decisions. Retirement planning. With tools designed to help users plan for retirement, Empower provides insights into retirement accounts, projected income, and strategies to achieve retirement goals. Their platform supports various retirement plans, including 401ks and IRAs. Investment accounts. Empower provides access to a range of investment options, including mutual funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. Users can manage their investment portfolios through the platform, with options for both self-directed and managed accounts. High-yield cash accounts. Empower offers a high-interest cash account with no account fees and no minimum balance requirements. This feature allows users to earn competitive interest rates on their cash holdings while maintaining liquidity. Now let us talk about the pricing of the two platforms. First, Rocket Money. Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. While many of its core features are available for free, certain premium services like bill negotiation and subscription cancellation assistance may come with associated fees. The platform offers a premium subscription that unlocks additional features and provides a more comprehensive financial management experience. You might have to create an account before you can get access to the pricing details. How about Empower? Empower's pricing structure varies based on the services utilized. Wealth management and investment advisory services typically involve a management fee based on a percentage of assets under management. Specific details regarding fees are available upon consultation with their financial advisors, and this ensures transparency and alignment with individual financial situations. So you might have to sign up and create an account to get started on that. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, the pros of Rocket Money: user-friendly interface, comprehensive subscription management, and proactive bill negotiation. How about the pros of Empower? holistic financial services, access to financial advisors. Now the cons. For Rocket Money, limited investment tools and premium features come at a cost. And for Empower, potentially higher costs and complexity for basic users. So which is the best for saving, budgeting, and tracking? Rocket Money excels in providing tools for day-to-day financial management. For example, as mentioned earlier, they help with subscription tracking, spending insights, and proactive bill negotiation. This is a good one. On the other hand, Empower offers a more comprehensive suite of financial services that extend beyond basic budgeting. Empower is a great option for those who want a mix of automated tools and human expertise to manage their financial future. So if your priority is immediate budgeting, saving on bills, and expense tracking, Rocket Money is the better choice. But if you're looking for long-term wealth building, investment options, and retirement planning, Empower is the superior option. But ultimately, they both serve different purposes, so your financial goals and needs will determine which is the best choice for you. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, Mint by Intuit, YNAB, and Personal Capital. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.